Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Fortnite and you keep getting this problem, fail to write necessary files, please try again later with their ESP-MAN-Archive. Then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Fortnite easily. So if you're on a PS5 or an Xbox, the way you can solve this problem is you'll just need to uninstall Fortnite from your computer and then restart your console. And once you're done with the uninstallation process, now what you're going to do is you're going to re-download Fortnite on your console, and once you click re-download, it will re-download the game. And once it's done with the downloading process, now you're just going to click launch on the game, and you'll see that your game will now work correctly. You will not get that fail to write necessary files error anymore with their ESP-MAN-Archive. So just guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.